जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। दुश्मनों का सर जो वतन
श्रीमान भारतीय सेना का अध्यक्ष जो इंटरनेशनल ऑफिसर 313 जेंटलमैन गेट प्लेटफॉर्म निरीक्षण के लिए हजरत। है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पे लुटाए जा।
The IMA is acclaimed worldwide for its nearly 9 decades of history and heritage. Its buildings and sprawling campus are impressive indeed. It gives me pleasure to see before me the batch of 387 gentlemen cadets who would shortly embark on their journey of a life characterized by valor and wisdom. I am sure they will carry forward the rich legacy of this academy. I appreciate the immaculate turnout and an impressive display of drill. This parade comprises cadets from all parts of India and from diverse communities, as also from 10 friendly foreign countries. This is indeed a true manifestation of our unity as also of our plural society. Gentlemen cadets, your training here equips you to face the challenges that await you. As commissioned officers, you will be expected to blend knowledge, skills and professional application. You must internalize the Chetwood motto inscribed in your academy. All of you know the motto very well. Yet, I find it so good that I would like to repeat it for the benefit of all the cadets passing out today. The motto reads, and I quote, "The safety, honor and welfare of your country come first, always and every time. The honor, welfare and comfort of the men you command come next. Your own ease, comfort and safety come last always and every time.
Gentlemen cadets of the passing out course, in a few minutes from now, as you are pipped as officers, you will embark upon the demanding profession of arms in the service of the nation. Remember, this commission will simply make you officers, not leaders. This commission will place you in positions where you will have to strive hard to become leaders of men and women you command. Therefore, you have no choice but to make good leaders. Not so much in the eyes of your superiors as much as amongst the men who follow you. When you join your units, you will find there a willing body of men who would ask from you nothing more than a display of leader-like qualities that will command their respect, their loyalty, and their obedience.